Hi, Jennifer Huber here, and I am here to let you all know today about FERPA and how it applies to us at schools. To start out with, FERPA is Public Law 93-380. This was a law enacted by Congress in 1974. Sometimes it's known as the Buckley Amendment or Buckley Act. And what it does is it provides and guarantees privacy for parents and students with regards to the students' records. It applies to any school, whether it's a public school for children or a college that receives funds from the federal government. And what does that mean to us? First, parents and eligible students, and I did want to clarify what eligible students are. Those are students that are over the age of 18. They have the right to review school records pertaining to the student. So if a parent wanted to see the school records for their child, and this could be a custodial parent or non-custodial parent, they can absolutely do that. Parents and students have the right to contest information that is within those school records. And let's say that there was something disputed, the parent can ask for a hearing, and the school would need to go ahead and grant them a hearing. And if after the hearing the information was still in there, the parent would be allowed to place a statement in the student's file explaining that particular dispute. Also, schools must have permission from parents or eligible students before releasing information from the student's records. Exceptions to this would be to other school officials that have a legitimate reason to see those files. If a student is transferring to another school, the other school can get those records. Financial aid representatives, particularly that has to do with college, accrediting organizations, auditing organizations that work for the school district. Also, if there's a judicial order or state or local authorities request to see this information, the school can show them that information. Also, parents have the right to be notified each year about FERPA and their rights to see these records and contest them if they want to. And parents also have a right to file a complaint if they feel that FERPA has been violated. If indeed FERPA has been violated, then the parent can, the government will make sure that the school fixes whatever the problem was, and even educators can be held liable civilly if they have violated FERPA. Next, what is in the student records? According to FERPA, records that directly relate to a student and that are maintained by an educational agency or institution or by a party acting for the agency or the institution is protected under FERPA. This could be electronic documents or paper documents. It could be a video recording. It could be a paper that the student did. Any record that has personally identifying information is protected under FERPA. Directory information, that would include the name, address of the student, phone number, dates of attendance, the degree awarded, enrollment status, or major field of study. That is not protected. But specifically, what is protected under FERPA is social security numbers for the student ID number, race, ethnicity, gender of the student, and transcripts and grade reports. Those are very much protected under FERPA. So what the teachers and administration need to do to make sure that they are not in violation of FERPA is first, make sure that grades for students are protected. Teachers need to make sure that they are not disclosing grades or records from any particular student to anybody else besides the student or the parent. If the student is over the age of 18, then even the parents can't view those records. Teachers need to make sure that they're locking up their records and not leaving them out where other students can see. Teachers cannot post grades of the entire class up for other people to see individual student grades. Administrators need to make sure that their teachers are aware of FERPA and making sure that teachers have a way of making sure that those grades and information is kept under lock and key. Files in offices need to be locked up, and there should be a policy in place regarding how student records are maintained and protected. And that is FERPA. Thank you so much and have a great day.